Okay, aloha guys. So quick recipe. We kind of trying to stay with the theme of everything getting expensive now. So we try to feed as much people we can for the least amount of money we can. You know what I mean? Even we actually use this recipe in our restaurant, and we used to use them at the hotel when I was at Marriott's and whatnot. So it's a simple recipe. We usually do them in bulk, but I mean, to my best of my ability, I try to bring them down to smaller portions. So this can feed probably 4 people, 3 to 4 people, but good burger. So it's just basically on burger, but we make them kind of Korean style, with some spicy ingredients and whatnot. Yeah. So okay, so I get on pound burger in here, a little less than a pound, but anyway, let's just call it a pound, all right? And then the kind of Farmer John's maple, the sausage links, right? I don't know if the thing blurry or what, but we use, so for 1 pound burger, we use 8 ounce of the sausage links. And the thing is raw, right? So just throw them inside there because you're going to mix them all up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put 1 tablespoon gochujang. You know what is gochujang, right? The Korean chili paste. Everybody should know what is gochujang. I write them down for you guys, but we put 1 tablespoon gochujang, and then just control everything inside. We mix them up after, okay? Let me take off this glove so I can work a little bit. Then we're gonna put 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon sesame seed oil. Okay, I try to make measurements for you guys. Usually I just control everything inside one crack, but I try to make measurements for you guys. And then put 1 tablespoon. We'll get back to tablespoon. 1 tablespoon shoyu. I say using our gluten-free ingredients because our house like gluten-free. But gochujang, you can find the gluten-free one too. The thing tastes exactly the same. And then the shoyu, we're just using tamari because the thing is gluten-free. But that's shoyu, you know what I mean? So one tablespoon shoyu. And then you can put 2 tablespoons sugar. Okay? So that's 1 and that's 2. Okay? Then what we're going to also put inside is we put 1/4 block tofu. Okay? It's about 1/4 block right there, a little less, but 1/4 block tofu. And then even though you put shoyu like that, you gotta put sugar too, okay? I mean, not sugar. I'm sorry, not sugar, but you gotta put salt a little bit. So we're just gonna do a couple pinches salt. I'm using kosher salt. Try not to use table salt. Table salt get that iodine taste inside. So some black pepper. And we always just use this stuff, so it's fresh ground black pepper. And then a little bit granulated garlic. You can add fresh garlic, but we use the granulated because I think it'll mix in a little better, yeah? So if you're going to look for measurements, it's going to be about half a teaspoon the kind. And then let me get this thing start mixed up. Hang on. Okay, so I'm going to mix these things up now. So you guys can put onion inside, you like, whatever, you know what I mean? But we're going to put that on the outside. And usually on restaurant setting, we're not going to put onions in the burger. We're going to let the burger on the outside put the onions, you know what I mean? On top of the burger patty itself, yeah? But mix all this up good. Make sure all the pork and the ground beef. This is 80-20 ground beef. Same, all mix up together good. All the gochujang, the sugar, the shoyu, everything say mix in there good. Okay, so now what you gotta do is you gotta let this thing rest a little while. Half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, no matter. But just let the sort of meat absorb all the the flavors of the what you put inside. If not, the thing just gonna cook them off. You know what I mean? So just blend them real good. Yeah, no look like much, but just blend them real good. And then we're gonna let this thing sit in the refrigerator a little while. And when it come time for cook, I'm gonna show you guys what the thing look like at the end when we cook them up, okay? And then you're gonna still do a couple more things when we start cooking them too. So, but let's go let this thing rest. I'll blend it up, and I'll be back in a bit, okay? I'll see you guys in a little bit. And then you know what I forget to tell you guys for add. We add 1 tablespoon gochugaru. You know, that's the Korean chili flake, yeah? So 1 tablespoon of that, and then mix them in. And then, yeah, I forgot about that. But anyway, 1 tablespoon gochugaru. I'll be right back. Anyway, gochugaru is the Hawaiian chili, not Hawaiian, but the Korean chili flake, yeah? Okay? Okay, after you let them rest for about half an hour or whatever you like, let them rest. At least half an hour, okay? We put 1/2 cup panko inside. 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup panko. You kind of need the panko. So what the panko gonna do now? The panko gonna hold in all the juice. They're gonna like run out of the hamburger because you can put all that stuff inside, yeah? So just mix the panko in. You like the thing rest with the ingredients first and the panko after the thing will rest, okay? Because if you put them in right away, only the thing they're gonna do is make the panko taste good, and then the burger not gonna get the flavor, you know what I mean? Okay, so now we mix in the 1/2 cup panko. And now I'm gonna let them rest for about another 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna show you guys when you start cooking them, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so I get on pan about medium-high heat. I cover the bottom with oil, not too much oil. I'm using canola oil. And a lot of guys tell me about canola oil. The only reason we use a lot of time use canola oil for home is the thing is kind of a neutral flavor, yeah. You like use vegetable, you like use corn, you like use. Try not to use olive oil because you get plenty taste in olive oil, but peanut oil is good, you know what I mean? But peanut oil is big bucks nowadays. So anyway, okay, so I get about 1/3 pound patties. Just lay them inside. You can make up. I like thinner patties because faster for cook and come more crispy. Yeah, you know, you get the crust there. But you can make thick patties too. You just gotta cover them up or whatever, you know, for making the thing cook all the way through. And because you get the tofu like that inside it, the burger stay pretty moist. The things stay pretty soft. The burgers, yeah. So we're gonna let this thing cook a little while. It'll take about 6, 7, 8 minutes on each side for cook medium well, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how that thing look. Okay, I'll be right back. So okay, I turn on one time, about 5, 6 minutes on each side. Watch your stove though, because I say cooking on portable burner, so the fire stay uneven. Even though it's on cast iron, the thing's still anyway. But remember, get sugar, the gochujang that inside, so the thing will caramelize pretty fast. But yeah, medium well is perfect. You can go. I mean, I know guys they eat their burgers well done, but yeah, nowadays you don't need to worry too much about that kind of stuff. Medium, even medium rare would be oh no too. You know what I mean? But anyway, let me finish this thing up and I'll show you guys the final product. Okay guys, this is the final product right here. Let me see if I can get something for cut them open. But anyway, give this recipe a try. I think bro, it's simple. You guys should have all the ingredients back home. I know mainland people might not have too much of these ingredients, but I'll go right down the ingredients for you guys. But super juicy, super tender. And it's just good all the way around, bro. Just good all the way around. You guys see them, man? super juicy. I think we can focus in. Anyway, gochujang burgers, bro. I think, oh no, give it a try. It's real simple. Tablespoon gochujang, teaspoon sesame seed oil, pinch of salt, some black pepper, teaspoon of sugar, or tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons sugar. So I'm gonna have the recipe in the back, and then little bit shoyu, and then let them rest. Then add your panko after that, and then dress them up the way you like: lettuce, tomato, onion. Put mayonnaise on your bread or whatever. Or eat them with rice. Or either which way, I think. Oh no. Simple, fast recipe, bro, and something that could stretch your food dollar out a little bit, yeah? I'm gonna kind of try and make these videos where you can stretch your food dollar out. Remember the pork, we mix 1 pound burger with half pound or that 8-ounce box of that Farmer John's maple flavored pork sausage. You don't need to use the maple if you don't like, but make all the difference in the world, trust me, bro, with the maple flavor. So anyway, okay, so anyway, you guys take care again. The katsu coming up, we're gonna get the pork for the katsu, and then we're gonna make some tonkatsu and some chicken katsu. But you guys take care out there again, and you guys stay safe, and yeah, enjoy, man. Feed you guys family, and budget you guys food money. We do it too. I mean, I work restaurant. I in charge of many restaurants, but even when we buy food for home, we budgets to it too, and everything's getting out of hand. Food prices right now, and especially the meat. So hamburger, I think, can go a long way. So anyway, you guys take care again. Yeah, stay safe out there, and we shall talk to you guys in the next video. Take care. Aloha.